Activate Blippi Station! It's time, get up and shout. I wonder what we'll learn about Blippi!
What a nice day for a quiet drive. Whoa! Attack of the bubbles! That's right, D.A.B.B.O. Bubbles pop when you touch them. I wonder, how do you make bubbles? Great idea! We'll follow the bubbles to find out. I'm gonna need wings.
Wings confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. Shrinking down! The BlippiMobile is ready for adventure. The bubbles are from the car wash. Let's give it a wash.
Hi! Oh, good boy. I'm Marvin Bubbly.
Hey, it's me, Blippi, and this is D.A.B.B.O. We're here to learn how to... Wait a second. Are you a pop star?
Oh. Sure am.
My mom loves you.
Thank you very much. You're far too kind. So, what are you here to learn?
D.A.B.B.O. and I are here to learn how bubbles are made.
So glad you asked. The surfaces of bubbles are soft, which makes them pop easily. That reminds me, we need more bubbles. And I know just the fella to show you how. Can you guess? It's me, Marvin Bubbly. Come on.
Whoopsies.
The first step is to get water. Then we need some soap to mix with it. And shoo-ba-dee-doo-boop. Voila! You make bubbles!
And look how they float!
Us bubbles can float like that because we're just air that's trapped inside a thin layer of soapy water.
Whoa! So bubbles are made by blowing air into soap.
That's right! Which reminds me, let's make some more bubbles. And I know just the fella to show you how.
It's you!
It is me! Just dip your hands in the water, get them sudsed up on the soap. Make a circle with your hands and blow.
Whoa! It's bigger than you! Check this out!
Catch me if you can! I've got new heights to reach.
Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Keep flying high, Marvin! And thanks for helping me get the answer to my question. How are bubbles made? They're made when air gets trapped inside a thin layer of soapy water. Upload answer, D.A.B.B.O. Bye-bye, Marvin.
Bye-bye, Blippi. Bye-bye, everyone.